The ID number of this stone is 000183. This stone is natural AJ, Jadeite from Burma. This stone is now under the daylight, under the natural light. This is yellow light. This is UV light. This is LED light. This stone has no crystalline, but some inclusions are inside the stone. Diamond tester check. Diamond tester check. $22.9 carat. 22.9 carat. $16.7 millimeter in length. 16.7 millimeter in length. 14 millimeter in width. 14 millimeter in width. 10.9 millimeter in thickness. 10.9 millimeter in thickness. This stone was cut by myself, so I can guarantee for this stone is a real natural AJ, natural Jadeite from Burma. You can check this stone with your own gemologist in your country. If my stone is not a real natural AJ, not a real Jadeite from Burma, you can ask your money back. If you're interested to buy my stone, please send me an email to get my contact number for more information. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good luck.